Cousteau underneath the Atlantic, a fantastic voyage to parts unknown, going to depths where the sun's never shone. And I fascinate myself when I'm alone. So I go a little overboard, but hang on to the whole while I'm airbrushing fantasy art on a life that's really kinda dull. Oh, I'm in alone. Oh, I'm in alone. I'm all for moderation, but sometimes it seems moderation itself can be a kind of extreme. So I joined the congregation, I joined the softball team. I went in for my confirmation, where incense looks like steam. I start conjugating proverbs, well, 1-7 nouns, holding rhyme schemes that are starting to get me down. Being alone, it can be quite romantic, like Cousteau underneath the Atlantic, a fantastic voyage to parts unknown, going to depths where the sun's never shone. And I fascinate myself, sure I do, when I'm alone. Rambling on rather self-consciously while I'm stirring these condiments into my tea. And I think I'm so lame, but I think this song is about me. Don't I'm in alone.